Before we dive in, make sure to check out NordVPN, link in the description below, to boost your privacy online. Let's compare Spectrum and AT&T Internet to help you pick the right one. Spectrum runs on cable DOCSIS and offers plans like 100 Mbps, 500 and up to a gig. Download speeds are solid, but uploads top out around 35 Mbps. AT&T uses fiber and delivers symmetrical speeds from 300 Mbps up to 5 gigs in select areas, with no data caps or contracts. Spectrum often starts at about $30 for 100 Mbps and $50 for 500 and $70 for a gig for the first year, but prices always jump up by 40 to 60% afterwards. AT&T Fiber typically runs for $55 for 300, $80 for 1 gig. Higher tiers go up to $245 for 5 gigs, no annual contracts or surprise hikes. Spectrum Cable delivers consistent download speeds, but upload performance and peak time congestion can affect experience. AT&T Fiber offers greater reliability, ultra-low latency, and truly symmetric speeds, ideal for heavy uploads, gaming, and working from home. Spectrum is widely available across 40-plus states, offers no contract plans but charges extra for Wi-Fi equipment unless you opt in or use your own. AT&T Fiber coverage is much narrower, available in about 21 states, but includes modem/router and sometimes installation with no contracts. So, who should you choose? Go with AT&T Fiber if it's available at your address. You'll get top-tier speeds, symmetric performance, and predictable pricing. Choose Spectrum if fiber isn't an option. Its cable service still offers fast downloads, unlimited data, and greater availability. And avoid Spectrum if you do a lot of uploads or stream or upload video content requiring high upload bandwidth. Thanks for watching.